The TOTO S550e and S500e come from one of the world's best-known bidet toilet seat manufacturers. Having released its first washlet back in the 1980s, TOTO has decades of manufacturing experience. The TOTO S550e and S500e are TOTO's flagship washlets. Both models are exactly the same, with the only difference being that the S550e has an added nightlight and automatic open and close seat and lid. Both models come in your choice of two lid styles, contemporary and classic. The contemporary version features a modern, minimalistic lid which fully covers the seat underneath, providing a seamless look as it blends with the rest of your toilet. The classic version has beveled edges around the corners of the lid and leaves the seat slightly exposed below for a more standard look. Both the contemporary and classic lid styles provide a high-quality appearance to the bidet seat, but whichever lid you choose, you'll still get the same great washlet underneath. Towards the rear of the unit, there are a few indicator lights for power, seat temperature, and the energy saver mode. You can also see the convenient nightlight down below. Here, on the left side of the bidet, there is a quick release button that unlatches the unit from its mounting bracket. On the right side, you can see that both the electric cord and water supply hose connect to this side of the unit. A T connection comes included with your washlet, which easily fastens to the bottom of your toilet tank so you can connect the hose. Here's the electrolyzed e-water system, which mists the sides of the bowl before and after each use. This TOTO S550e review features a remote control that's easy to hold in one hand. On the front, you'll find buttons for the most commonly used features such as rear wash, feminine wash, and the air dryer. Towards the bottom of the remote, you'll find controls so you can adjust the water pressure and the position of the spray nozzle. On the back of the remote, there's an LCD display so you can adjust temperature controls and for programming user presets and other settings. Wash functions for the TOTO S550e are powered by a telescoping nozzle with multiple spray ports. First, we demonstrate the rear wash. Initiate a softer, wider spray if you like, which utilizes the middle spray port. You can alternate between wide and narrow spray settings while washing. Water temperature and water pressure can be adjusted. Nozzle position can also be adjusted more forward or more backward. Now we'll demonstrate the feminine wash. The feminine wash spray can also be changed to a wider, softer spray pattern if you prefer. These adjustments can easily be made on the remote control. Next, we'll show the washlet's oscillating feature, which extends the cleaning area. The bidet also includes a warm air dryer, which helps with residual moisture after washing. The S550e has an automatic opening seat and lid. Approach the toilet and the lid automatically opens. Raise the seat too by tapping the top of the remote control. Both the seat and lid will automatically close 90 seconds after walking away. The TOTO S550e is a high-end bidet toilet seat your whole family will enjoy with its customizable wash settings, e-water functionality, and automatic opening and closing seat and lid. It has plenty of advanced features. And with your choice of two lid styles, contemporary and classic, you can choose a model that looks great in your bathroom. For more information on the TOTO S550e, you can read our full write-up on this model in the bidet review section at bidetsplus.com.